Madonna's. So I'm going to have what them call it, merch. I can't. I don't even. I don't want. I don't even. All right. So I have goodies gonna be on my website soon. When it's ready, I am going to link it. But these are gonna be my T-shirt, and you will see more design from time to time. Let's show you how the top stay. It's a crop top and it's raw cut. I'm gonna have these headband available as well, but they're not ready yet, so I won't list the website. But you know, I have to sample my own brand. Um, yeah, positive vibes only, guys. When you receive this T-shirt, you're gonna love it. Um, I'm going to have different style, different raw cut. You will see me in them from time to time because no, mostly I'm gonna do my videos in my T-shirts. Okay, so anyways, what I'm come for talk about today is that last night I was talking to someone and they were telling me that, you know, they are afraid to donate. And it's not just them, because from time to time I listen to Auntie Donna's show and people doesn't want to, I don't want to talk too much about the individual because I don't want people to find out who I'm talking. And they were sharing some things with me last night and I said to myself, let me come a little closer to the camera. I want to know about pick up the whole of the blockhead them in my face. I was talking to someone, right? And they were telling me about giving to giving to program where they're gonna hear them name and them afraid fee them name called upon the program. And because I hold them family will watch and say, you know, you have money I give to program and we there want it. But me I gotta leave that person there out of it totally. But over the years I listened to story like this before and it kinda like, why is it that people afraid to donate? Like I'm just gonna say Auntie Donna program. For me, I'm gonna say that because it is a transparency program, transparency. Um, everybody name is going to call. People out there are afraid to donate because they don't want them name to call. And me just have something to say pertaining to anybody out there who are afraid to donate to program because them family I go see and them family I go cuss them or say whatever. You know, over the years I listened to this, I listened to it back then when I just started listening to Auntie. I hear it and it just remind me when the person was talking about it last night. And I said to myself, oh, I don't feel that way. Why would you feel that way? Why? What? Let me tell you, I don't care what family say or what family. When it comes to my money, when me work hard for, no family can dictate that to me and tell me nothing. And if they ask me, I'm going to tell them, say, I could have my picking. Them cannot tell me what me fi do with my money and me work and buy it. Yes, me not have to keep them in everything, me not have to tell them everything. But when me I go spend my money, if they want to find out on the media say I them spend it, then go and go find out. Cause when me I work, me never see nobody. So why when me I spend my money, me must see people? I don't care who or what, me follow my heart in anything me I do. You know, just like how me would say, like for instance, me have my Facebook page and me get a little dividends over on Facebook page. Me have my family them, me have friends. And trust me, me have people and me have things where me could have give that little monthly money to when me give yesterday over the weekend. Me could have give it to somebody. But guess what? I choose to give it on the platform to the people them that is supporting me. Because if me go over my page, me can tell you, a 1% of my family me see over my page. Not even 1%. They not there. They on social media, but me not see them on my page. So at the end of the day, why me should I work? And if me want to give a total stranger my money, it's like it's so like it just grabbed me last night and me just meditate on it and me say, me I go come reason with me Danas them about this. Me want to know if how many people feel that we are here about this. You're afraid to give away your money to charity in a public. Remember, charity is of God, in the Bible. Nobody giving is of God. It's a godly thing you're doing when you're giving. No, me not gonna tell you say, oh, you have your last. Let me come up with that camera. You have your last and take it go gateway. That is not what I'm saying. Yes, I make me show on my t-shirt. Me not say that. But what I'm saying is that charity is of God. And if you donate and you donate it with a willing heart, no family, no friends, nobody should tell you how to spend your money. Not even your husband and your picnic them. If you come out of your house, go work it, and your account it are going on, your bills are paid, and when your bills not paid, you know how much time I give away money out of my money when me need to pay bills with? You know how much time I do that? By the time me ready to pay the bills, sometimes it multiply, double, or triple. Me not ask you, me I tell you. So now, who for tell me when and who for give me money when me work so hard for? Nobody can tell me no. That's why my mindset is not for everybody. My mindset are for me. I mean, I care where you want tell me say or talk behind my back. Am I one? Me do what me want do with it. If I the last time I feel like for gateway, I'm a gateway, fine. Me nah go turn no trouble to nobody. Me nah go beg nobody for give me back. None of that. Anytime me ready for beg, God me ask. Me's not a beggar. No, me's not. I barely even like to ask you if you like the video. Cause me pride. Me full of pride. Cause me no like beg and me feel like me a beg or no. It's the truth. Why is it that me work my money and me I go feel some kind of way if my family them see if me donate it to, say for instance, Auntie Dana show because it is so transparency. Why my family them should have see it and come ask me, you give Auntie Dana money, so for charity and me they want it. I don't give a shit. Excuse me. I don't care. I don't care what them want to say, because none of them never come to me and say that before. Because that is really none of nobody business. So, for the person when me that talked to last night, if you don't feel like you don't want to donate to no little dollar, or no little $2, or no $20, or no $100, or no $1,000, or no 500, it no matter. A phone, a uno work it, and I know somebody you no go beg to give it to. Don't make nobody make you feel guilty for what you want to do. I mean, not care how much family you have a dead for hungry. If a dead so God make your spirit go for lead you for put it there. Put it there. Yeah, that's how me feel about it, and it's the truth. Me attack my truth. Me not care where nobody wants say. Nobody now go tell me say no donate to nobody or give nobody, or not because the person there have it, me still I give. That's not the point. Me give to who me want give to. And I that me have to say about it. If you don't want to feel guilty of phone business, me not feel guilty. I could have been papa hungry. And if me see it feel like for donate, me I go donate it same way because maybe somebody more hungrier than him out there. Definitely. So me feel. Why me no know? You have to shake me in because I don't know why people make people a dictate what them for do from what they not for do in their life. We all go come here for live for a period of time, we not there forever. We don't forget up and make people control you and do whatever they want to say and do. Like words is make it go on, 9 day talk. Oh, Dana take up our money and do this and do that. And Dana did please, please. Anyway, my Danas, later, when my t-shirt them ready, I will make on know. Okay? And my head cover. My order some, but them are gonna take a while to come. So when them ready, the website will be on my page. Okay? Big up on yourself. Love you now. Bye. Like the video. Please like the video. Okay? I am back. Please like the video. Okay?